a
Right, okay,
spectacular
so guys,
build.
welcome to my Viduligan. And
Let's
today we're
this
going to
might be a
be
bit inappropriate.
build a boat. I need to edit this video because my save files has a very inappropriate name. Right, so we're gonna go into saves. So, alright, did you say during red?
First name.
Right, okay, so he lives in England, believe it or not.
I
And,
live in Squiggle actually.
his
So
IP address is 41.397. Right, what are you building?
oh yeah, you got my IP address
Right.
correct.
Right,
said
you're
it would
lucky,
be a
you're
bit.
lucky I am not monetized, otherwise I would have to blur this out. What is this? Would you actually explain? Would you actually explain why there is a long wooden projectile shooting out of this man's and it is secreting a white liquid that
I'm
is
gonna do it
exploding
do it
outwards
stuff.
at a considerable speed? Would you like to explain this, little boys?
It's very me and Will didn't even do anything. I think it was you.
No, it was not me.
Someone hacked the game and placed it on our
Yeah, someone hacked the game, did they? So,
I'm gonna do the
we are
arms.
going to
It was
basically-
00 SF.
Zero, zero, SF.
Will, this is not for Will. Move. Dark shirt. But we need to add some balloons.
Right, so I've built my creation. His name's Bolagorn.
Why are you not building it with us? Yeah, no.
But it doesn't want to be with you guys. You're strange, right?
We are not strange. It's just this guy pressing on his tip. It's just the skyscrapers. May servant, no. Mason Windjard.
You should start doing channel.
Why did server come here, bro?
I don't know why you serve it here.
I think server likes our build.
With this whopping machine, as you can see.
He's a royal member. He's gonna report. He just looks distraught. He's running. You right.
So yeah,
I'm gonna build them.
Start. Why are you putting balloons on the edge of that man's substance?
And I'm gonna add more balloons. It's just how he lives. It's just how it squiggles. Exactly. You're gonna dismember him. Servers does not want to join my team.
So guys, these are one of my.
No, you gotta add it on the tip. Well,
my life is very sad with them. And servers.
You got a squiggle.
Trying to commit suicide. So yeah.
One scratching the buttocks.
A little bit about me. My friend
Galloping through my fantasies.
They both
Shut
have,
up.
They lack brain cells and mental.
I do not have brain cells.
Yeah, you're in top set in PE when all you did was dance like a tooth fairy. 3 legs and a dong.
No,
Yes,
it's got 2 arms, 2 legs, and 1 humidly large dick. Here's one little flute.
Behemoth sausage.
He just has a flute. Server did not require. Server did not require. Right. I'm gonna add my balloons to the tip of it.
I would like you to find the closest pillow and shove your face in it until you forget how to speak.
Wallow, why are you not helping us?
Because I don't want to be affiliated with that.
It's lovely. That.
Why are you sprinkling balloons? How have you put them there? How have you put one outside the boundary?
Because that's how he lives his life.
How?
He's sprayed everywhere.
How on earth have you done? Oh my days, my voice cracked. But how on earth did you manage to get them? Like, I've never ever met someone who could just do it like that and get them out of the boundary. Like, what is this sorcery that you possess? to the object.
It's not an object, it's a human.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's gonna explode.
We cannot stand for this kind of behavior, guys. I know what I'm doing.
I've had to do a jetpack. I'm adding the tip. He's adding the tip. Hudson Thomas, he's adding.
Hudson Thomas, he's added it.
No, my gooey bit needs to be added on.
I don't know, Wes.
Tell Wes it's a microscopic bean.
Well, you're gay. Right, I'm back.
You guys realise that thing is going to collapse?
I don't care.
It's just an art creation.
It's just David. David. Mine is more superior.
No, it's not!
Yours is a tower that has gooey bits on it.
Right, can we start? Because I'm 9 minutes and 5
No.
seconds of my life and my video have been wasted on this.
The gooey bit needs to be added. We'll sit in this chair. Sit in my chair.
No, right, let's go. We'll start it. Or hoodie, whatever, do, whoever. I added my own invention. Guys, it's floating away.
No, what's that?
No!
Squealing
No!
around.
He's still enjoying it. Wait, what's coming out of the tip?
Someone's popping my balloons and
No, why is he not floating?
We are making it through. Whoa!
Help,
I
Lola.
think, guys, I'm ahead of you.
It's not fair.
Yes, it is.
It's not so snidgel.
This is just. Imagine if we get banned for this.
I hope we do. Do we have an extra
Right,
booster
so,
that
I'm
will
gonna
help?
Put this video into time lapse from here and see if we make it to the end. Alright, so
The gooey bits are stick.
no one cares!
The gooey bits are sticking off.
I don't care about your gooey bits.
I have a jetpack on me.
You've just got a tiny sadness.
Woo!
We've got. No war for the Wigglies. I wanna put in the war for the Wigglies.
For the wigglies. Well, I think we can get through this without my hill. I want to spend 30 minutes on a boat.
I'm just making it hairy.
Stop making
Part of my boat is just like flying away, guys.
attach it. I need a way to impress them. I need a story to tell. I go on a scum my poo on the wall for the water ice making you.
Wait, technically, canonically, Humphrey McGovern can sing.
Yeah, no. He's made all of your songs, hasn't it? Songs.
Yeah, I know. But what lies on the
Wait, I
wall?
thought the weird like Humphrey McGovern wasn't him singing. I thought that was.
But no, it's
I
not,
need
not
a
all of
way
it singing,
to
only what
impress
he's singing only
them. I
one.
need a story to tell.
Is
I'm
he
gonna
singing
scrum
the
my
scrum
thing.
the war for the goodness?
Nah. He's a very good singer, not gonna lie. It's not confirmed, but most people theorize it. Theorize it. On the bleachers. Confetti in it.
Steammate 718 and Despicable Devon 357.
Humphrey. Humphrey McGovern. Yeah. Humphrey McGovern and Ernest Humphrey Bottom, absolute legends. Holly, when are you gonna make one of those Humphrey things?
I need a PC. You have a laptop.
Yeah, but it's used for school. Yeah, but what? You need to actually make a name as well. I need a way to impress them.
Make like Michael McGill or something like that.
Yeah, but no, you need to make something completely original. Whoa!
I'm sorry. It's okay. So by now I forgot to say I've been kind of
Fast lives.
Roblox, Amazon. Look at the reviews. What in the world? $50. A anchor crushing alongside a Pokemon. That's what I'm talking about right there. $50. Anchor and he sell cranberry juice. Plus the side, we're running out of oxygen. Did he die? Die. Scrolling through Roblox, Amazon. This is bad. That's what I'm talking about right